I felt that all this January I have been covering everything spring, everything new for spring, whether makeup, fashion, and whatnot. And today I'm gonna be unboxing my FabFitFun Spring 2025 box. You know that I have been a paying annual member for FabFitFun for the past 5 years. So if I'm sitting down right here to talk to you about it, is because I truly believe on FabFitFun, and it is my only subscription box because I'm able to curate, customize each of my choices the way that I want it. Everything from lifestyle, fashion, makeup, home, fitness, pet, you name it. FabFitFun covers it all. It's a full curated box of brands that I particularly love, like Prada, Coach, Kate Spade, Glossier, all up to 70% off. In fact, if you watch my 150 Christmas gift ideas video that I posted on December, one of my gift ideas was a FabFitFun box. Yes, because whether you were gifting the full-on box or just creating each of the 6 products for different people, we're talking about that each product came across about $10. The box itself is valued up to $350 in product, but you only pay $69.99 if you decide to go with a seasonal membership. But I have good news. I got you a 20% off with my code Jacqueline on your first seasonal box. Even better though, if you decide to go with the annual membership, which is the one that I chose after I tried my seasonal membership many years ago. If you use the code Jacqueline Gift, you will get a gift value at about $200 in addition to your box. Not only that, you get early access to customizations, early shipping, early add-ons. Do you know that this is literally one of the ways how to save money each year? No failure. Do you know that the average American spends about $900 on Christmas gifts? Yes, that is quite a bit. $250 for Valentine's Day, and we're not counting Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, and all the other occasions. Aside to, if you're a person like me that I like to celebrate the seasons, and I buy things for springtime for myself, for my kids, for my husband, for the house, for my pet, everything adds up. So we have to be very smart on our purchases. And this is my only subscription box because I see the savings. In average, an annual member of FabFitFun saves about $1,700. And those who are seasonal members on their first box, they save about $500. You make the math, you make your decisions. But anyhow, I'm gonna show you my choices, how I customize my spring box, in addition to show you all the spoilers and all the details that I was mentioning to you, all the links, all the details about the codes, as per usual, will be on the description box below. Let's start with customization number 1 and the product options. The first one by Short Stories, the 8 inches frying pan in a creamy color. I really was attracted to this pan. The value was $75. So, that was amazing. But I'm one of the persons that I like to buy my cookingware on sets. And so I only have 2 sets at home and I feel content with what they are. And I had been eyeing another one, actually in a creamy color too, or almost whitish color. So I was tempted, but I decided to skip on that one. Then by Tula Skincare, the bedtime brightening Charge overnight brightening treatment, value at $58. I don't think I need this, or perhaps I need it, but I do have a lot of skincare at the moment that I decided to skip on it. By Line and Dot, the waffle knit robe in sizes small plus LXL, the retail value $78. And I heard that this robe is longer than the ones that they usually offer at FabFitFun. Usually the ones from FabFitFun that they have offered in the past, they were shorter, and these ones are just a little bit longer, which is perfect. And this is a perhaps, it's a maybe. I will tell you at the end. I will show you what I have picked. Another product available in this customization by Bala Bangles Inc., the windbreaker in this beautiful kind of sagey color, perfect for springtime. And you see, this is what I'm saying about FabFitFun, that is a seasonal box, but with, a variation of products for different uses, and this is the perfect use. Mostly if you are on a place that is either windy, a little, although this is not a raincoat, but perhaps sprinkles where you live at. I don't know, value at $80. And it comes in different sizes too. Another plus from FabFitFun that you can choose the size. It's not like, okay, one size fits all, which is never the case, right? This one, it was something that I was tempted, but I can tell you that I didn't get. Then by the brand July, everyday crescent bag. Crescent bags are huge. The value of this bag, $65, and this looks very, very pretty. I love bags, and I love cream bags. I love light color bags. I'm not afraid to them. Let's see if I got that one. Then by Div, the brand Div, the Haley sunglasses, value at $89 with these tortoise. I never know how to pronounce it. Okay, but this is what we're gonna see a lot, not only in spring, but also summertime. And I mean, the color just goes for, all year round. By Desia Skin, the Pack in all multi-purpose hanging travel bag, value at $42. These are great for maintaining yourself organized, not only when packing for traveling, but also when you arrive to your hotel and you need to just have, everything nice and neat, and that you don't have to unpack the whole thing. From Maison Louis Marie, the perfume oil in number 4 Bois de Valancourt, the retail value $65. I know this specific fragrance went viral a few years ago. It's one that a lot of people say this is kind of like that signature scent, so good. From Glow Recipe, the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, value at $38. Friends, what did I decide to get? Maison Louis Marie. Obviously, it has to be the oil parfum. I do not own the fragrance, so I thought, you know what? I want to try the oil. The oil usually stays a little bit longer too. It permeates on your skin a little better. It smells divine. A little bit of a green kind of scent, which is absolutely perfect for the season, and very much a unisex kind of fragrance. And the retail value, $65. So this alone already paid for my box. Voila. Customization number 2 by Lindsay Albanese, the Daily Laptop Clutch, value at $89. This looks really nice. I really like the color, but I do have already my clutch for my laptop, so I said, you know what, I don't need it. My kids, they have theirs. My husband has his too. So I felt like there was no need within the household. It could have been a really good gift for someone else. But anyhow, I skip on that one. From Bobbi Brown, the Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow Stick Crush Oil Infused Lip Gloss Bundle in multiple shades. Value at $67. I love these products from Bobbi Brown. From Free People, the Surf Candle. It looks incredible, not only for spring, but also for summertime. Value at $40. By Milk Makeup, the Hydro Grip Primer. This is a viral product, value at $38. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Blush Trio in Peachy Love, in Berry Adore. So you have 2 different to select from. The retail value, $30. By the brand We the Wild, the House Plant Care Essential Kit, value at $39. So far, the only living plant, well, I do have some orchids and then these tulips right here. I need to get some more real plants here in my household, and this kit looks really good for that. From Osea Malibu, the Ocean Eyes. I think this is a serum for under the eye area, value at $58. By Rise and Shine Ceramics, this beautiful ceramic fruit bowl, retro flower. It looks very retro. 9.5 inches, value at $45. These for a beautiful fruit salad. Ooh, so pretty. And then by the brand Love AJ, the Prom Set Tennis Necklace in silver, value at $80. This was very tempting because you know how much I love my jewelry pieces, but I decided surprisingly, and you will be surprisingly why, because I do have a ton of makeup, but I really want to give a chance to the Milk Makeup this viral primer. Everybody says that it really holds your makeup really well. And perhaps I don't need it that much, but sometimes when I'm going for a very long day, mostly at work, when I'm working outdoors, I feel that perhaps if I don't know, a gripping primer may be good. I do have great primers, but I wanted to try it, okay? So there you have it. Customization number 3 by Quiet Hours, this facial ice roller. Very interesting, the shape. I don't know, like I honestly don't have any like ice face rollers. This is valued at $48 from Murad. AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser valued at $37. Murad has some of the best skincare products too. From Moroccan Oil, the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. You know, friends, how much I pamper my hair and all the jazz, and this is valued at $30. From Molton Brown, the bergamot bath and shower gel valued at $35, or you can choose the cypress and sea fennel bath and shower gel, again from Molton Brown, also valued at $35. I have tried before the one bergamot. Love it. By Crystal Haze, the mini Serena hoops in gold or also silver. So I mean, I love FabFitFun for that because they give us options, and these are valued at $85. It looks so pretty. Desi Skin by Desi Perkins. I'm sure many of you may know her, a great content creator here on YouTube. I mean, she has done content for so many years. I don't think she uploads anymore. I don't think she does, but anyhow, the overnight moisture mask value at $48. Heard great things about this mask. By Color Wow, one of my favorite brands, Floetry Vital Natural Curly Hair Serum, value at $30. Very tempted to get this one. Very tempted. And by Aloe Moves, that digital offer, Aloe Moves 4 months free trial, value at $51.96. So what did I select? By Moroccan Oil, the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. This is a fantastic product, and believe me, I was so tempted to also get the one from Color Wow because I love Color Wow too. Oh my gosh, the temptation was real. Customization number 4, Moroccan Oil, the hand cream oud mineral, value at $22. Also available in ambre noir, value at $22. By KitchenAid, the fine grater, value at $20. I don't need a fine grater on my kitchen, so I skip on that one. From 8 Other Reasons, the bubble bangle set. This looks so cute, value at $45. From Beautology Lab, the 24 karat gold collagen eye mask, 10 pairs. Eye masks are great if you get puffy eyes, mostly now coming into allergy season too. These are valued at $42. From PE Nation, the homage cap, value at $50. By Volution, the 2-piece facial fitness kit, eye depuffer and face sculpture, value at $40. This looks like a really good gift for someone that loves skincare. By Seishu Beauty, the stay and lip liners in Pink D and Mauve. Those are cute names. Value $24. By Bala Bangles, the capsule sliders, value $25. These are great if you like to do exercise that, you know, with the sliders. And then by London Town, the Galentine's Nail Bundle number 2, 2X lacquers, dot and detail tool, hard glass nail file, value $64. This is a really good set for Valentine's Day too. Another product, this is by Bella, the Bikini and Body Scrub, value at $38. And then we have here Sterling Forever digital offer, $30 gift card, value at $30. So what did I choose from this section? The Sushu lip liner Stay In, and this is not for me, you see. I'm telling you, this is for one of my daughters, my oldest daughter. She loves these lip stains. It's something that I haven't tried myself, but she uses it. I know she buys it. I know I can save her money and give her 2 from my FabFitFun box. So happy I did. Customization number 5, we have from Milk Makeup, the matte bronzer in Bake. I have it on my collection, so I didn't need a second one, valued at $24. The Bloom 12 count green stick packs, value at $21.98. From Topicals, the Sleek Self Mint Lip Balm. I love Topical, and this is valued at $16. From Bondi Boost, the Anti-Freeze Fly Away one. This is interesting. Value at $16. From INH, the curved vented brush. I love curved brushes with the vents. This is valued at $20. Sit Sticka, the Go Getter 36 count. Value at $14. By Mutha, the Nudist Exfoliating Body Bar. So this may have kind of like a scrubby-dubby type of thing. Value at $30. By Rose Ink, the number 5 bronzer brush, value at $28. Also by Rose Ink, the eyelash curler, value at $20. And by InKind, 6 months free, and it is valued at $59.94. What did I pick for customization number 5? I went with the brush. I just told you, I love her brush. I love everything that it has to do with hair. I always like to take good care of my hair, and I love these vented brushes that they are a little bit more bendable, very nice, soft. Yay, so happy. so happy I got it. And for customizations number 6, the choices were from Living Proof in the Clarifying Detox Shampoo, valued at $36. From Riffle Paper Co., the Journal with Pen, valued at $30. That cover is so pretty. From Bobbi Brown, the Long Wear Cream Liner Stick in shades Panther or Chocolate, value at $34. The Rose Ink Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara, value at $28. From Trina Torque, the Picture Frame, value at $38. This is really pretty. For example, I will frame a picture of my children and give it to my mom or to my mother-in-law. It looks so pretty. Witch Tear, set of 4 dipping bowls. These are always great and a great hostess gift, value at $29. By Parallel, the Cycle Support Pack, value at $40.59. By The Lifestyle Co., the Intention Perfume Spray, value at $40. And from Dr. Yard, the Ceramiding Skin Barrier Mask 5-pack, value at $37. What did I pick from this last customization? The Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. Again, you know, I have this thing about my hair, protecting it, caring for it, and I really want to try this detox shampoo from the Living Proof, as well as I think my son could use it too. I know that sometimes he needs extra help on that area. So I'm so happy of the things that I got for this spring 2025 FabFitFun box. Once again, I will be leaving all the details in the description box below. Do not miss out. Customizations are open right now for annual members, and by using my code JacquelineGift, you will get a gift value at around $200. And if you decide to just try it once, I'm sure you're gonna buy more and just try the seasonal box, you will get 20% off on your first box using my code Jacqueline. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering up on today's video with me. And if you're ready to save money this year, you know now how to do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, well, you're invited to do so. If you're on Instagram, I'm also there. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Entre as ruas, já não vejo mais meus horizontes.